Now, good afternoon, my sister. Please, I just want to drop this video. Please, I want to talk to Rita TV or I don't know, whatever. My sister, I want to tell you something. Since yesterday, go to every platform that everybody is talking about Igbo people. Everybody is aiming their own opinion. Nobody has ever caused anybody. You are just going to bring problem and to create enmity between the Igbos and the Benis. Please concentrate on your hookup and leave us alone. Many people have been seeing the video you are posting. Igbo people love money. Igbo people are greedy. Igbo people are this. Please don't use tribalism to cause war that you cannot even finish. If you come to make problem, everybody gets waiting day in body for your own personal community, for your own personal body. Please, let's talk with respect and let everybody mind in business. Do saga that they are calling you for and leave us alone. Leave the Igbos alone. What the Igbo self way they go, they fight. Waiting they big pass you. Even me away from their self is very big. It doesn't start today. Everybody has his opinion to speak, to make his own speech. Yes, I know. But my sister, mind your business. Mind the kind of way you put your write-up and the way you do your things. It's not good. It's not good. Stop cursing Igbo people. They are criminals. They are this. I hope you are a motivational speaker, which everybody always listen to you. Do you want to bring saga between Igbos and the Benis? Don't you know that many of the Bini people, they marry for Igbo land? Don't you know that many of Igbo too, they marry from Bini land? We are all the same people. When you see something happen like this, when you come out to come and talk about it, you talk it with respect. Don't insult anybody. This thing, even before I was born, the Biafra issue has been there. Please, if you are doing something, you do it with a maturity. We have many problems since in Nigeria. I have never seen you posted it on your timeline. I call it a business that hey, the Buhari must go or Buhari do this. You never done it. And you call yourself a motivational speaker. You call yourself a motivational speaker. Nigeria no good. Nigeria no good. Everybody is dragging for their own distance to make sure their own where they are is okay. Leave Igbo people. Stop putting names. I'm seeing social media people, everybody is talking about Nnamdi Kanu has been arrested. I've never seen the kind of hate you are protecting on social media. You see? So it's very, very bad. Stop calling Igbo names. Stop calling Igbo's name. If you want to make your post, or if you want to air your view, or if you want to talk about anything, just go inside as a matured person you are and cool down and know what you want to say to public. I thought you are mature. A woman of 56 years, at least you could have known how to handle your issues. Even all the Igbos self, not everybody is the Biafra, but everybody is on his own. You understand? So please don't come to social media to come and tell us what we do, what we need to know, because you are not. I cannot come and tell you what will happen in Bini land. It's not my problem. It's your culture, it's your language. You know whatever that has been there before you were born or when or after, whatever. I don't care. You see? So stop putting pictures and creating war. This person will come out now, you come and talk. This person will come out now, you come and talk. Before you see it now, you just cause a very big problem that you will not know how to handle it on this social media. Did they tell you that Nnamdi Kanu, they kill him? They never kill him. You understand? So don't put hatred. When you want to make your post, make a genuine post and talk what is your mind. Don't call Igbo names. We are thief, we are this, we are that. No, stop it, my sister. Go and watch all your posts you are posting and check your age. It doesn't correspond. It looks very childish. It looks very hated. Do you mean that there is not Igbo people? You don't have any Igbo friend around you? Does it mean that you don't have any Igbo people that you have do something with? Does it mean that I don't have any Bini people that is my friends? Why are you talking as if you are a child of yesterday? This is not a saga issue. This is a speech that everybody can talk about it. I'm not saying that nobody should say anything, something that about it or what. You have every right, you have every opinion to say whatever you want to, but don't put hate. Don't call names. I cannot say Benin people, they are shallow. Benin people, they are very stupid. Benin people, they no get sense. Benin people are like this. If I want to earn opinion or talk anything in public, I will say this thing is happening in this Benin. How are we going to solve this issue now? Okay, now Benin people or Asian people, they want this, they want that. At least if you want to talk, you talk with respect. Somebody must fight for somebody. Yes. Everybody getting right to talk what he like, I know, but don't put it hate. You cannot say that Germany you hate German people, you hate this, you hate. It's not your peace. If you hate them, you leave from there, go to another place you are. I thought you were a very mature and a responsible lady. I don't even know that I don't know how I will put it. Please go and stop putting those kind of your hate this thing that you are putting there. Is not good. You understand? It's not good. Tomorrow now I go say this one wetin they talk, they find viewers. But you have to say the truth. You have to say the truth. When you are writing all these things, sit down on your chair, feel comfortable and begin to write it. What is in your mind? Do you want us to start tribalizing a saga? Why the Nigeria wey una call say na una want, you know good, we come still start another one. We have to finish one. This European country where that you are inside, is it bigger than your country? Come on, Ghana self. We need to fight for our rights. If person say, I don't need your friend, I want to stay your own, it's not a problem. You understand? It's not a problem. So don't call Igbo names. I've never come here to insult you, and I have never come here to... I just come here to tell you that if you are to not make your post, you are free to make your post. It's a public this thing. Everybody is any opinion. Yes, if something happen, everybody go talk, but don't talk it with hate. Don't talk it with Igbo people. They love money. Igbo people now they hand over Carlo. Igbo people, just if we begin to go into deep, you will see now one person go come go say, "Are they crazy?" Me, I go contact the person say they mad again because I must curse you, and it will pay your people. If you see something that is happening on media, say about it and leave there. Don't come and curse anybody. Don't come and tell anybody how they want to live their life. That place you are living inside that house, if you don't want it, you go and rent another place and stay. Nobody force you to feed. You know when you are hungry. So don't come and put names or talk anyhow to Igbo peoples. It's very, very bad. I don't like that. Stop it. Stop it. Many people are following you. Don't create enmity. Don't create hate. Keep it with yourself and say what you want to say. Don't insult anybody. From go reach Igbo land, reach Calabar, reach Ogonu, reach everybody get what they take know them for that Nigeria. You understand? So I not go like make we come they talk wetin they take know us. At least there is the ones that is manageable, and there is one that is not manageable. You know what I'm saying about. So I love you. I love Asian. I love Bini. I love everybody. But let's keep our dirty characters beside and say the truth. If you don't want to leave your Bini kingdom, no problem. We are fighting for our own right. We are fighting for what we want. You cannot tell us we can never. If you like, let it be me self go betray my another Igbo person. It's not your problem. People must fight for it. You understand? So please, my sister or whatever, stop it. When you want to talk according to your age, talk matured. I so much love Bini people too much. Mostly friends I have here is Bini and Isha. Mostly Ishans. They are my friends. They are very good people. I cannot take because of one Ishan person do bad and I will say all Ishan are bad. I cannot say one Igbo people do something. I will say Igbo people, they are all bad. I cannot say because of this one Kotoni person that go say all Kotoni people are bad. If we continue to correct ourselves like this, you will see things will be okay for us. Please, let's stop all those kind of bullshit that we are doing. It's not good. Rita TV, I'm talking to you. Please, stop that kind of post that you are posting. You are something just happened 3 days. You just want to cause a problem. I saw one video your brother did, a Bini person. He was not with Biafra and he's not against Biafra. That boy spoke very, very correct, and even though he no pass school road himself, you go no say this one he get wisdom. No be only people wey pass school road and then go school. Some people they get natural sense. You understand? Some people they get natural sense. So my sister, stop that kind of hate that you want to create, because as you are posting it, many people will be getting angry, many people will be commenting. Unless you have another interior motive inside you, then let's go. You understand? So here is where I'm going to stop this video. Please stop it. We love you, we love everybody. Don't curse us, don't hate. Speak your mind. Let it not be a speaking of hate. Let it be a speaking truth. Please, I'm going to cut this video. Bye.